Until now, we have only worked in app delegate. We have created some notebooks, we have used the managed object context, we have also used one-to-many relationships, we retrieved data from the database, displaying it in the console. But now it's time to bring that to the next level and also introduce a user interface for our CoreData First Steps project. And therefore, in this video, we're going to create a user interface based on a table view controller, and in the next video, we're going to introduce the NSFetch results controller that will make displaying information from a CoreData database in a table view very easy. So let's move to the main storyboard and first of all get rid of this standard view controller. I'm selecting a view controller here, pressing the backspace key on the keyboard or clicking here in the view controller scene and doing the same thing if that does not work. And the next step will be to add a table view controller to our storyboard, and then we must make sure to hit the attributes inspector and select this table view controller as the initial view controller, which will add this little arrow here on the left so that Xcode knows that this is the first view controller that we actually want to display. Now, to actually work with this view controller, we also need to add a new class. So let's select the viewcontroller.swift file, press Command N on the keyboard, select the Cocoa Touch class, and then we call this Notebook, but not View Controller, UI Table View Controller. We are choosing this subclass instead, and this gives us automatically Notebook Table View Controller. So let's hit Next and create this view controller class, this table view controller class. And now all we need to do is connect this class to our storyboard representation here, to our view controller representation, selecting the identity inspector and entering the notebook table view controller as a custom class. We also want to embed this view controller in a navigation controller, so I'm selecting editor, embed in navigation controller with this view controller selected, and then we can also give this a title, for example, notebooks. And with that user interface set up, we're going to add a fetch results controller in the next video.